Today, I'm going to walk you through the user management workflow in the SecurityGate platform. Here, you will find an overview of the user directory in the platform, as well as the number of licensees purchased and remaining. This workflow is broken down into two main screens. Each screen is associated with the two profile categories in the platform user and contributors. Each screen will display the list of users and their assigned profile, as well as some additional information. Please be aware that a user can be assigned to more than one profile. If the user is linked to both a platform user and a contributor profile, the user will be displayed on the platform user screen. Additionally, users are tied to the number of licenses that the organization has purchased. A platform user is linked to at least one profile that contains any of the create and delete access permissions. The out-of-the-box platform users profiles are superadmin, admin, assessor, and auditor. A contributor user is linked to at least one profile that contains read and limited update access permissions. The out-of-the-box contributor profiles are the assessment remediation respondents, reviewer, parent entity or entity point of contact, executive, and no perm. To manage users, click Add New to create a new user in the platform and provide the required information. Information required will be the first and last name, email address, username, and access control profile. Please note that one-to-many profiles can be linked to a user. To modify a user, select the user from the table and click the Edit button at the top. This will allow you to change existing information of the user, including adding or removing access control profiles of the user. To delete a user, simply select the user and click the Delete button at the top. Once deleted, this action cannot be reversed. On the other hand, to deactivate a user, select the user from the table and click the Activate User. This will mark the user as inactive, but in order to activate the user again, simply select the user, click the Activate User button, and the user will then become active once again. A couple notes. Deleting a user is a permanent action, but it will not delete the data associated with the user. The deleted user will stay in the user management workflow as a record. However, a deleted user will not be able to log into the platform anymore. Deactivating a user is a temporary status and will not delete the user's data. The deactivated user will also stay in the user management workflow as a record, and they can be activated at any time. Similar to the delete action, a deactivated user will not be able to log into the platform after this action is completed. The download template can be an efficient way to upload a large number of users. Just click the button to download the Excel template. Fill out the fields, the required fields, which include first name, last name, login username, email, and the roles using the API IDs provided. And once this is filled out, all you have to do is click the Upload button to import the user into the user management workflow. Once the user is created, you can click Send under the Credentials column or the Reset Password button to send the new password or temporary password to the users. To reset the two-factor authentication code for an active user, if the user has 2FA set up, you can click on the user and click the Reset 2FA.